Welcome. It's day 4 of our Disney World vacation. We are this morning located at Ohana restaurant, which is located in the Polynesian Resort or Polynesian Village Resort, which is one of the Magic Kingdom hotels. It's like right across from the Magic Kingdom. So we stopped in Ohana today. This is a character breakfast. James, if you could get some video of what's going on. So character breakfast, they're walking around. There's Stitch and there's Pluto and Mickey somewhere in here. So this is Lilo and Stitch's best friend's breakfast. So the characters come over to you while you eat. We had a long last 3 days, so we actually were caught up on a little bit of sleep. So again, we came to the restaurant, and Kennedy is known to have an allergy. So because this is what they call, what is it called? Family style breakfast, babe? Is that how you, okay, yeah, family style. We were not allowed to get food on the table right away, so we had a visit from the chef, and he bought her a dairy-free, peanut-free substitution for bread. As you can see, James has his bread, or our bread, on the side. But what they do is they have the chef comes over and he talks to you about whatever your allergy is, and again they so before we were at buffets, they give you a menu and they tell you what you can eat, what you can't eat. At a restaurant like this, the chef comes over, he tells you what they have and what he's going to do to substitute the food on your plate so that she doesn't get injured. So what he's doing is creating, well, he gave her a substitute for bread, which looks like to be a donut, and she's eating it. Is it good? Is it good?
She got sugar
all over her face. Is it good? Yes.
I think it is.
Okay. And then he's going to make her some eggs that don't contain milk. He's also going to make her some special waffles that don't contain the milk as well. So they're very, very, very good about taking care of you if you have an allergy. So this is actually a very good restaurant to be at if you are a person that has any type of allergies. I am very happy with the way they handle it. We've had a couple of snafus, as I like to say, with these last couple of restaurants we've been at and having to deal with the allergy. But this is, in my opinion, I would consider an allergy-friendly restaurant. So with that being said, James and I are going to dig into our roll, take a couple pictures of the food, and we'll get back at you in a bit.
Got some potatoes.
Guys, Pluto just showed up, and as you can see, our food came. I want to point out, and I didn't get the chance to say this, but I want to point out the fact that, say hi to the camera, James. They haven't said hi to you today.
Oh, hello.
Hi, YouTube family. Say hi to YouTube today. Okay, Kennedy's not saying hi. So I wanted to say that it was important to note that because of the allergy, the server, the actual server is not allowed to serve us. The chef has to come service our food direct so that they can make sure that she's okay. So I just wanted to put that out there. Pluto is on his way to our table, and I have to go because we have to get his autograph. Okay? See you later, guys. You won. So James is eating some, I don't even know what it's called.
It's
Hawaiian
like a pineapple Hawaiian bread with some icing on top and a glaze, a pineapple glaze. And I was telling Janine that they was rude for making this bread. because it's so good. It like makes you keep on just sitting here and eating it. She already ordered a second batch of it, and she knows she ain't gonna eat it. You know you ain't gonna eat it.
I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat it.
You're not gonna eat it.
Kennedy sneaking away, everybody. Look at her.
Where you going? You going to Sesame Street? But you're in Disney World. What do you need Sesame Street? You need chicken? It's not time for chicken.
Well, folks, as you can see, Kennedy is like having a rough time this go around in Disney World. They made her own separate skillet. Hi, baby. And she is working through it, kind of, I guess.
This is my outfit.
Folks, as you heard, Kennedy wants chicken nuggets and french fries for breakfast. This is how our trip has been the last 4 days. Kennedy has only wanted to eat french fries and bread the whole time we've been here.
Mommy said you gotta eat some food. Take a bite. You gonna eat it? You're not gonna eat some so you can get some more juice? Can you eat a piece of ham?
So James, can we talk about your bread? So the bread make you want to slap your mother?
I didn't say all that. It's pretty good.
It makes me want to slap my grandmother.
It makes you want to sit here and just continue to eat it.
Yeah, you gotta watch it.
It's bad.
Yeah, it is bad.
It's just
But it's bad good.
It's like a good bad, yeah.
It's so good.
It's like
bad,
Michael Jackson
but it's
bad.
bad. It's so good.
Michael Jackson bad.
Michael Jackson bad. I like that. There you have it, folks. The pineapple Hawaiian bread at Ohana. Michael Jackson bad. Yeah. Kennedy to eat, folks, while we're in Disney World. So let's see what happens. Kennedy, would you like some hot potatoes?
No.
How about oatmeal?
No.
Mickey waffles?
No.
Ham bacon?
No.
Sausage bacon?
No.
Bacon bacon?
No.
Grapes?
No.
Juice?
Yes, juice.
There you have it, folks. Breakfast of champions. Guava juice.
What's that water juice?
Some guava juice. Hawaiian bread, pineapple on the bottom. It's addictive.
4 hours later.